are going to see what is Lofted guide boss. This is very important tool of Lofted boss base. This structure, this geometry we created in our previous tutorial. You can watch there. So now we will first do one thing: hide this all 4 planes. Right click and hide. Now see, this all hide planes are hidden. Now we will create a path for curved Lofted boss base. So select this. Okay, right way. Select sketch. Select normal. Now select this all the lines. Hold shift key and select this all line. And select convert entities. Now see, it is converted. Now select again one by one each and every line. Just press shift key and select here for construction. Okay, now see, this line become construction. Now choose a spline and we will create geometry according to us. We want geometry according to our requirement. Now exit. See, this is one geometry we created. Now just exit from the sketch. Now we will go to feature and Lofted boss base. Now we will select our all the geometry. Now see, this is the structure we created. Now Lofted boss. Now see, there is one option, guided curves. These are the curves, or you can say this is the path of our profile. And our profile will take the shape of this path. So just select this path. See, it is took the shape of this particular path. Select OK. See, it took the path and took the way of this path. Just delete it and we will do one more thing. Now again select the same sketch, edit sketch, normal, choose spline and draw one more spline. Now exit. Okay. Now there are 2 paths for this. Select exit. Now again go to Lofted boss base. Now select this all points. Now it's time to choose the path. So select curved path, guided curve. Select first this one. It will ask yes or no. Okay. Then again choose this one. Again it will ask select yes. See, our geometry took the shape of both the spline. Select OK. Now see. So this is the basic advantage and basic use of Lofted boss base. Curved Lofted boss.